Hey Gojo, how you doing? Hey, I saw the picture that you posted of Moose and Raven. We're doing good, we're doing good. Hey, I gotta ask for a favor if you're gonna post their pictures to make sure that you mention who it is, okay? Hey, Kimberly Ann, thanks for coming back. Thanks for the thumbs up. Cool, cool. That's fine. We're not bothered by it. I just want you to mention the name of our channel in the post. It's all cool. And I gotta wipe my phone down. Hold on. Seems a little cloudy. You digging, Raven? Cool, thank you. It's all good. We're all good. Mr. Black, how you doing? Hey, Beverly, how you doing? We're hanging out back. I got moose out in the woods today. We went for a walk. Hey, Monet, how you doing? Hope everybody's doing good. What is Raven doing? She's chewing on grass. What are you eating that grass for, Raven? Don't eat too much, it'll upset your tummy. Pretty soon I'm gonna have to get the weed whacker in here and do a little cleaning up. Yeah, being a dog, that's for sure. She's being a good girl. Don't want to eat too much of that grass though. I don't know why you guys do that. Every once in a while they make themselves puke. Come here, Raven. You want to go up on the porch? Mr. Black, well, thank you for stopping by. Hey, hey.